Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair and Sayyid bin Musayyab report that Hazrat Hakim bin Hizam radiyallahu anhu said, I begged from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he gave me. Again I begged of him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave me. Again I begged of him and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam afforded me. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Hakim, this property is green and sweet. Whosoever receives it having no avarice is blessed in it, but he who receives it with an avaricious mind is not blessed in it. He is like one who eats but does not get satiated, and the upper hand is better than the lower hand. Hazrat Hakim said that he said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by him who sent you with the truth, I will not after you accept anything from anybody till I bid farewell to the world. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sent for Hazrat Hakim to give him wealth, but he refused to accept that. Afterwards, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu sent for him to give him wealth, but he refused to take anything from him. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O group of Muslims, I say, making you a witness that I have given Hazrat Hakim his right out of fight, non-Muslims' property got by the Muslims without any fighting, but he has refused to take it. Hazrat Hakim did not take anything from anybody after Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam till he passed away. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1472.